guys, so for a long time I have been asked how I get my loose waves, so I have finally made a video for you guys. I'm showing you a super simple way to get these curls with just a flat iron. And I paired it with this flower clip that I made with flowers that I bought from Michaels, and so I just put it together myself. So if you want to know how I did these curls, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so to achieve this look, the tools you are going to need are a 1-inch flat iron. I am using the GHD Classic flat iron, and then you're going to want a wide tooth comb, sectioning clips, a light texture spray, and I'm using Kevin Murphy's Do-Over. And if your hair has a hard time holding curls, I recommend a working hairspray, and for that I would recommend Flex Hairspray from Living Proof. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the front half of your hair and we're going to section that off. So you'll take that and just kind of gather it together. Kind of just bunch it up and section that away. Same with this side. Just kind of bunch it up and section that away. So then you will split the rest of your hair in half. And you'll grab sections, let's see, about this big. And then, so what you'll do is you'll grab your flat iron and you're just going to twist it inward once. And you're going to pull it down, and as you get about halfway down, you're going to flip it under, but flip it back the other way, and then continue. And once you get to the ends, you're going to turn it one more time and go. And then you'll get a curl like that. And then I just take that and throw that in the back, and then you keep moving on. About halfway down, you're going to flip it. And then at the end of the curl, you'll curl it in. So what that'll do is it'll make it elongate your curl, so it'll be kind of longer here, and then it'll get tighter at the ends. Flip that in the back. Keep it moving. And you don't want your sections to be too thin, because then it'll start looking more ringlety. Nope. And throw that in the back. And this is the technique that I use for medium to long hair. For shorter hair, it's basically the same thing. I just don't flip it halfway through. Instead, I focus more on like pulling it straight down so it doesn't get too short. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and spray those. And I'm not going to touch those for now, I'm just going to let them cool down. So then I'm going to move on to this side. And you want to curl everything away from your face. And really, this all just takes practice. I have so many clients that want to achieve these curls, but they just feel kind of clueless, so I really hope this video helps you guys. Because it's really just as simple as you just take it, turn it, and pull it. And you don't even have to do this middle where I switch it. And I'm literally just flipping it and then curling it. Twisting it a little bit further. So then you can see it just is elongated and then gets tighter. Alright, so we'll spray those. And put them back. So now you'll unclip the front section. And do the same thing. And I'm gonna section away my bangs in the front right here because I don't want those to get too curly. Then I'm going to take that down. And for any like shorter fringe, you just want to like turn it really quick and pull it straight down. You don't want to hold it for too long or kind of hesitate because then it gets too curly and it looks weird with the elongated curls. I'm really just trying to give it a little twist to it. For my bangs, I actually do it back like that. So I'm just going to leave that, spray it, and then let down this other section. And you're almost there. Clip those away. So then, when you're done, you're going to take the wide tooth comb and you're just going to lightly brush through them. And this is what gives you the really pretty waves because they kind of just sit together. And there you guys have it. Alright guys, that completes the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this was helpful for you. If you recreate this look, please take a picture and tag The Art of Ash. And if you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks! Bye!